Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox game client not responding. So first here, you just need to go to your home screen and then go to the Roblox player icon, then right click. And then once you right click this one, click on properties. And then from here, go to shortcut and go to run. And here, click on the drop down menu and choose to minimize. Once you've done, click on apply button right here at the bottom right, and then go to compatibility tab. Now right here, all you need to do is just need to check the box here, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. And then just need to check this disable full screen optimization, and then check this run this program as an administrator. Now once you've done, just need to click on the run compatibility troubleshooter. So you need to make sure that you apply all the changes. So click on the run compatibility troubleshooter option. And from here, you just need to follow the instruction here. So we're gonna click on this yes button. Are you trying to troubleshoot this executable program? So click on that. What's the problem are you having with this app? So for example, click on the first option. The program doesn't display correctly. Once you click on this one, scroll down right here or just wait for a few seconds, troubleshooting, and then apply recommended compatibility settings, click on yes, and then again click on yes, try your application again. So did this solve your problem? So we're just gonna click on the yes button. Now once you've done right here, you just need to test again or reopen your Roblox, and it should be fixed the issue right here on your Roblox. So that's how you basically fix Roblox game client not responding. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.